guys, this is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog. For today's recipe, it is homemade corn dog but without cornmeal. My 8 years old says this is called Korean corn dog. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So we have mozzarella cheese and frankfurts, or you can use wieners or you can use hot dog, and we also have Takis and flaming hot Cheetos. Slice your cheese and your wieners or frankfurt, and now we're gonna thread them on our skewers. Now the cheese and the wieners ready, we're gonna crush our Takis and flaming hot Cheetos and also our Chester's corn twist. You can coat with anything you want, breadcrumbs, panko, all chips, fried onions too, in fact, whatever you like. For the Takis, I don't really crush it finely, but for the Cheetos, my son ordered it to be crushed into powder. Now that our goodies are crushed and smashed, let's make the batter. The batter, this is 1/4 cup of flour with 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt. We're just gonna mix it. Now we're gonna crack an egg and put in about 100 milliliter of milk, a little at a time, while we mix it. So you want batter that isn't runny but also not too thick. So just keep adding it. If it's too dry, add more milk, just a little bit, like maybe half teaspoon at a time or 1 teaspoon at a time. And if it's too, again, it shouldn't be too runny, but if it's, just in case you made a mistake and added too much of a liquid, just add a little bit of flour as well. Now that the batter is done, grab one skewer and dip it in your dough, and then we're gonna dip it in our crushed Cheetos as well. Tap excess. Like so. And like so. Now we just repeat steps on our other toppings. Now it's coated. We're just gonna fry it. Just gonna fry 3 at a time. And fry them for 3 to 5 minutes. Now sprinkle with sugar and serve it with your favorite sauce. Ta-da! Bon appetit! And look at the cheese!